let's give it a try. If you're someone like me who hates drinking regular milk, looking for a best alternate, keep watching. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. I'm so excited to review this product. This is my first time reviewing a product in my channel. I am not paid for this. I genuinely wanted to help those who are looking for a dairy-free option because I was always told to drink milk, but I just couldn't drink white milk straight. If you're getting it in Costco, this comes in 3 bottles, and each bottle is a little less than half gallon, and it's a good value because I got this for around $9 for all 3 bottles. This is not flavored, it's plain. There is vanilla flavored and chocolate flavored in the market as well. Since I went to Costco, I got them plain, and this is my first time trying and I can't wait. So this brand is called Ripple and it's made out of pea. Unlike almond or oats, I have tried almond milk, oats milk, soya milk, coconut milk. This is the first time that I'm trying this plant-based milk, dairy-free, which is made out of pea. So I can't wait to try this because I've heard so much good things, but I wanted to try it and let you know as well. So let's get started. So I'm going to open this. Let's see. First of all, the very first thing, as a child, what would you do? You know, you want a pleasant smell, right? So that's what I'm going to see if it has. If the smell throws me out, I can't even drink it. So the very first thing is I want to smell and see if it's inviting. It doesn't smell like any mushy pea or vegetable smell. I don't smell that. I just smell a little bit of sweetness, and I also smell a little bit of nuttiness to it too. It smells good, so I'm going to taste it. I like it. I like it because it has that little creaminess, similar to regular milk, and it has a little bit of nutty flavor. If you're missing that creamy, rich flavor in a regular milk, you will find it in this milk. And it has a little bit of sweetness to it too. Very tiny little bit of sweetness, and I like it. And it's not throwing me or overpowering, and it's great. So I think I really like this. It's definitely a lot of, that nutty flavor is there, and the richness and creaminess. I'm really liking it. So let's see. Do you see it says 8 grams of protein? It says 8 grams of protein and half the sugar of dairy milk, 50% more calcium than dairy milk. So this is great. It has calcium and it has protein too. And it says per serving calories is 90. Just like a regular milk, once you open, you have to keep it refrigerated. I can see myself drink often, and I can see my children drink often, so I am really excited. And it has a lot of protein, and it has calcium, it has vitamin A, D, and a lot of good stuff. And it's made out of peas, and it's dairy free, so why not? It's great. I think and I hope I will be able to continue with this milk. So let's see. Now I'm going to heat it just out of curiosity, I'm going to heat it and I'm going to taste it because I make a lot of Indian curries and I like to have some milk in my coffee and tea, so I want to try heating this milk. As you saw, it was just like a regular milk. I was able to boil it and nothing happened. So I'm pretty sure it will be good for using in curries, any Indian curries. And I'm so excited. Maybe you can, use it for baking as well. Let's give it a try. Let's see how this hot pea milk is going to taste. Wow. I like it. It's much more nuttier than the cold milk. When it's heated, I can taste a little bit more of that nuttiness, but I don't mind. I'm really liking it. In Indian cooking, we make a lot of curries and we like to have it hot, and we like to have warm milk and hot milk as well. So that's why I wanted to give it a try. I wanted to try it out and show it to you if I'm going to heat the milk, because that's the first thing that came to my mind. Okay, it's nice to have a glass of cold milk straight from the fridge, but what if I heat this milk? How is it going to taste? What if I want to drink it hot? What if I want to use it in my curries? What if I just want to have a warm glass of milk? How is it going to taste? So I was curious, and I'm pretty sure many of you must be curious about this as well. So that's why I wanted to show it to you and share this. So if you really like this video, please share it with your friends. And I currently live in US, and I went to Costco, and that's where I got this. I know that this product was out 3-4 years ago, but I am trying this for the first time. Hope this video was useful. So if you like it, please share it with your friends and stay tuned for more such healthy videos, and don't forget to shine with shows.